What's up, everybody? Thank you for tuning into another episode of Wellness with Wellington. And so we're going to be talking about success today. I know y'all like that. But before we do that, I ask that you hit that like button, that follow button, and that subscribe button. And I ask that at the end of this video, you find anything to be intriguing or of value, that you leave me a comment, but also that you share with anyone you believe it could offer benefit. And so, like I mentioned, we're going to be talking about success today. But before we just dive right into that, I want to show you guys a real world implication, a real world equation on how success can be inevitable. Yes, I said that. How success can be inevitable, meaning it will be impossible for you not to succeed. And so right here, this is the Greek letter P. It is used in different sectors of physics, but it's also used for statistics. And so it is pronounced phi, as in Wi-Fi, psi, phi, 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 fo. You get it. It's pronounced phi. And so today we're going to look at the statistical implication of this phi right here. And so in statistics, phi is used to measure the correlation between two different objects or two different measurements. In other words, to measure the correlation between cause and effect. And so we understand cause and effect to be a real world phenomenon, right? Cause and effect is all around us everywhere. Because you lift weights, the effect is going to be you get stronger. Because you eat bad food that's not healthy for you, the effect is you're going to have a bad body and you're not going to be as healthy as you could be, right? So cause and effect is everywhere. Cause and effect is even in your personal life, your business life. It's everywhere around us. But cause and effect can be used to manipulate your way to success. Let me show you how. Since we understand this right here to be a real world equation because it's used in real world statistics, that means it can be used in the real world in your life. And I'm not talking about just the equation. No, I'm talking about the fact that we understand cause and effect to be very real. Meaning, right, just like that dude that lifts a lot of weights is going to cause him to become very strong, which is going to be that effect. Or just like that dude that eats a lot of McDonald's every day, the effect is he's going to have a bad body and he's not going to be as healthy as he could. If you decided to turn that TV off, pick up a book, learn something, or take those big action steps toward creating the life that you want for yourself, if you start down that path, the cause, you starting, that is the cause. You taking action, that is the cause. That means the effect to success. That means success, the effect to that cause. You creating the life that you want for yourself. It is inevitable. It is impossible for you not to succeed if you start down that path right now. Start down that path today, doing what you know you need to do, what you should do, what you could do, what you would do. Stop making them excuses and just get to it. Just get on it. Take big boy action steps. Take big girl action steps toward creating that life. I'm telling you right now, those causes, because that is the cause. And like we see right here in our phi, it has to have an effect because it measures the correlation between that cause and effect. Meaning, that effect, that success, that you creating the life you want for yourself, that life, whatever you vision for yourself, it is inevitable. Only if you give it a cause. Only if you give it a cause. Meaning those big action steps, learning something new, doing something different, taking action, getting in the driver's seat, refusing to be anything less than you know you could be, what you should be, what you are, what you was put on this earth to be. Once you make that choice up here and you take those big action steps like we just talked about, those cause steps, oh, that's when this right here is going to work in your favor, like I told you I was going to show you. That's when it starts working in your favor. That's when that effect, that life, inevitable. Yeah. See, I hope that got you as hype as that got me, because, oh my, I'm ready to run through a wall right now. That got me so hyped. I know you could see it in me. I know you could see it in me. I see it in you too. You need to see it in you too. Yeah. Yeah, that's how we getting this series started right here. That's how we getting this series started. I hope that got you pumped, ready to tune in for more. I thank you for viewing this video. I will see you on the next Wellness with Wellington. Peace.